Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the drill through feature in Power BI using the most efficient 2026 technical methods. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to move from a high-end overview to a granular, candid analysis of their data within a single, interconnected studio report. Let's get into it. First, create your detailed destination page. The first step is a mechanical necessity for the drill-through workflow. You cannot technicality drill into a page that doesn't exist, so you must first build a high-end studio view that contains the specific details you want to explore. Create a new page in your 2026 Power BI report and name it something professional. Add charts, tables, or cards that display the specific technical bookkeeping details you want to see when you filter down. This page acts as the landing zone. In 2026, it's a professional standard to keep this page hidden from the main navigation, so users only candidly reach it through the drill through action. Next, configure the drill through data field. Now you need to technicality tell Power BI which data identity should trigger the move to this detailed page. With your destination page selected, look at the Visualizations pane and find the Drill Through section at the bottom. Drag the field you want to filter by, like category or store name, into the box labeled Add Drill Through Fields here. This step is a mechanical necessity. It technicality creates a link between your 2026 high-end summary data and this specific detailed studio view, ensuring the context is candidly passed from one page to the next. Next, customize the back button for navigation. Locate the back button that appeared in the top left corner of your destination page. Use the Format pane to technicality adjust its style, color, and size to ensure it fits your high-end report aesthetic. The back button is a professional standard for user experience. It allows your audience to candidly return to their previous market analysis without getting lost in the 2026 technical report structure. Right-click on a specific data point in a chart, like a bar in a bar chart. Select Add to Drill Through and select the name of the destination page you just created by navigating through the Format tab and changing the type to Drill Through. This technical movement candidly filters the destination page to only show data related to the point you clicked. This is a high-end way to perform 2026 bookkeeping and data discovery without cluttering your main dashboard. And that's pretty much it. To use Drill Through in 2026, create a detailed destination page and technicality drag your filter field into the Drill Through bucket. Format the back button for easy navigation and right-click your summary charts to verify the data transfer. This professional workflow ensures your high-end 2026 market analysis is both interactive and technicality precise. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.